Hi everyone, good morning. I am Nel of SMDC, and for today's video, I just want to introduce to you one of our SMDC project, the Gold Residences. Hi guys, kailan nga ba ni-launch si Gold Residences? So it was last November 2019. And imagine, first day pa lang is na-sold out na yung Tower 1 and 2, which is the phase 1. So, yun, marami talagang nag-invest that time because people have been wanting to invest because they know the opportunity. So, saan nga ba nakalocate tong Gold Residence? So, yun guys, kung natatandaan nyo yung dating Casino Pilipino, along Parañaque Sucat Road, dito siya. Tapat siya ng NAIA Terminal 1, dito, yan. Diyan itatayo yung Gold Residences. Alright guys, from NAIA Terminal 1, sa yan, Gold Residences to NAIA Terminal 1, nasa 330.5 meters lang yung distance ni Gold Residences. While from NAIA Terminal 2, nasa around 1.6 kilometers lang yung distance niya. So napakalapit niya sa NAIA Terminal 1, and actually sa Terminal 1 pwede nga siyang walking distance eh. So sa NAIA Terminal 2 nasa 1.6 kilometers, and NAIA Terminal 3 nasa around 2.3 kilometers siya. So imagine from Gold Residences to NAIA Terminal 3 and 4, nasa 20 minutes na lang yung biyahe dyan. So napakabilis lang. So this is one of the reason why nag-reserve yung mga investors namin sa Gold Residences, kasi because of accessibility. So yun, what else? So malapit din si Gold Residences sa PITX, Parañaque Integrated Terminal Exchange. So andyan yung mga buses na papuntang Cavite, Laguna, Quezon City, and even sa Baguio. So also napakalapit din ni Gold Residences sa Mall of Asia sa Bay City. So andyan yung mga entertainment city natin like Soler, Okada, and City of Dreams. Even sa Makati, mga nasa around 6 kilometers. Kung dadaan ka ng NAIA X, nasa around 20 minutes na lang ang biyahe papunta doon. So napakabilis lang ng, alam naman natin dyan sa Makati, andyan yung mga corporate office, maraming offices dyan. So napaka-prime location talaga ni Gold Residences, napaka-accessible niya sa lahat. Okay guys, ito naman yung Metro Manila Rapid Transit. Gusto ko lang i-highlight yung LRT Line 1. Itong kulay green na mag-start siya sa Roosevelt, papuntang diretso siya ng Bacoor, Cavite. So isang station dito is Ninoy Aquino Station. So dyan po yung NAIA. So madadaanan siya talaga. So ito yung isa sa pinaka magandang part ng build project ng government, tong Metro Manila Transit. So magmula ka sa North EDSA to Cavite. So diretso ka na ng NAIA. And also meron pa tayong isa. So, kung familiar kayo sa Mega Manila Subway na alam ko kino-construct na ngayon, nag-start ang Metro Manila Subway is sa Mindanao Avenue, Tandang Sora, North Avenue, Quezon City, and punta siya ng dire-diretso siya papunta ng Ortigas North, Ortigas South, Kalayaan, Makati City. At ang dulo po niyan is ang Ninoy Aquino International Airport, Pasay City. So, ang ganda ng location ng Gold Residences, very transit-oriented property talaga siya. Mapa north to south, marami kang easy way na pwedeng daanan. So, yun yung pinaka nagustuhan ng mga investors namin and mga buyers namin. Kaya sila nag-reserve sa Gold Residences. So, okay, this is a township project, so which composed of offices and residential. So for offices, we have a Tower A and Tower B. Ito yung nasa unahan. So, ang phase 1 natin is Tower A, B, and C. So the good news is we launched the other tower in phase 2. So I'd like to offer the Tower D and E. So eto, lahat ng residential floors is 15 physical floors lang siya. So eto yung bago naming ni-launch, tong phase 2 this month. Yon. Also, alam naman natin, kasama din dito, kasama din sa binayaran natin dito as a investor, as a unit owner, and yung amenity ng project. So yon, as a unit owner and investor, so kasama sa mga ininvest natin dito is yung amenity ng property, which is yan, we have luxurious hotel-like lobbies. So maganda talaga yung mga lobbies ni SMDC, high-grade finishes po yan, and bespoke furniture ang gagamitin dyan. So we have also passengers elevator and service elevator. We have mail room and CCTV system. And the very important for this is we have 24-hour security system. So all towers natin, meron tayong mga security guards na handang magbantay sa atin at para maging safe yung mga unit owner natin. So also we have indoor amenities, fitness center, social halls, and social lounge. And also we have indoor amenities. Meron tayong adult pool, kids wading pool, kids playground, fitness center, central park, enclave gardens, and also jogging path. Meron tayo dyan. So the unit layout, meron tayong 1-bedroom units, nasa around 25.42 square meter, and 2-bedroom unit, nasa 54.53 square meter. So yon, ito yung mga layout ng natin. Also meron pa tayong mga 1-bedroom with balcony. Mamaya papakita ko yan. Okay, here's the sample of deliverables of ng Gold Residences sa model unit namin. So yan, we have homogeneous tiles, we have granite countertop with base and overhead cabinet. For 1-bedroom, we have laminated sliding door. Also sa 2-bedroom, we have laminated flush door, wood laminated sliding door. So yan, yung iba naman basic din. Meron tayong vanity counter and facial mirror, and also shower set. Hi guys, thank you for watching. For more details and further information, I will put my contact number down below so you can reach me anytime you are available. So, and also you can reach me on my Facebook page, Our Condo Goals. And please like, subscribe, and click the notification bell to my YouTube channel, Best Property Investment. So thank you for watching. God bless, stay safe, and stay at home. Bye-bye.